guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be working on the Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to be replacing the turn signal switch because it's been kind of giving me some issues when I have my headlights and fog lights on and I go to use the turn signal switch to the right, it automatically turns off my fog lights. When I make a turn signal switch to the left, it doesn't. It's kind of annoying only because people think I'm flashing my lights out them because I have an LED fog light, so they're kind of a little bit bright, so it does flash them. So I need to fix that issue. It kind of bugs me, so I don't even use my fog lights at all because of that problem. Now I ordered a switch that has the automatic feature on there. My Jeep does not have the automatic feature, and it did not come with that in 09. So I'm kind of taking a little bit of a gamble, and hopefully it does work with my Jeep and adds that feature to it. So let's get right to it. All right guys, so here's my switch. Like I said, it doesn't have the automatic feature. It just has parking lights, headlights, and fog lights. It does have the auto feature on there. So hopefully it has the same connectors on the back and the front. So only one way to find out, and hopefully the auto feature works also. That'll be a plus. To get the cover off, it's really simple. There's a torque screw right there, and sorry, the sun's in the way. There's a screw in here and a screw on the opposite side, and they're all going to be a Torx 20. This one's going to use a pretty big long extension because it reaches all the way to the top. I'm going to be using a pretty long Torx socket here. All right, once you get all the screws off of there, go ahead and just pull this cover. Tilt this down, lock it in place. Put this cover off the top. We got access to our switch. There's going to be a Phillips right there holding it. And let me see if I can just pull this cover down for you guys so you can get a better look. All right, once you guys get the bottom cover off, there's going to be a Phillips head there. And then you slide this back towards you. Once you get it off, go ahead and just switches actually use the same connectors and it actually works. So now I actually have automatic headlights when I didn't have it before, and the feature actually works. So that's actually really cool. All right guys, so there you have it. I'm surprised it actually worked. I'm glad it worked because now I have the automatic feature on my Jeep. I'm gonna put the links in the description of the switch where I got it from. I got it from Amazon. So if you want that feature on your Jeep, or your Jeep turn signal switch is giving you guys issues, this is a great time to replace it and get a new feature installed onto your Jeep. If you guys have any issues, any problems, please put them in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And like always guys, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.